I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use visual voicemail and transcripts on your iPhone. Typically, this is already set up on your iPhone, but if it's not, you can click on your Settings app, and then you'll scroll all the way down to Apps, click that, and then you'll scroll down to Phone Settings and open those. Next, you'll scroll down and tap on Live Voicemail, and then make sure that this toggle is selected to On. This will allow you to view a transcript of an incoming voicemail in real time before you even answer it as you are getting the voicemail. And then once you are receiving your voicemail, we can go to your phone app. Then you'll tap the voicemail icon on the bottom right. Then you can click on any particular voicemail just to see the transcript that is available for that particular voicemail. In this case, some spam thing that was not even important, but you'll get a transcript here of the entire voicemail so you can just read it without having to listen to it.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.